In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meta pixel in Business Manager. This process is essential for anyone looking to enhance their marketing efforts by tracking and understanding their audience's actions more thoroughly on their website. So, let's dive straight into it. First, we need to search for Meta for Business. Open your preferred web browser and type in Meta for Business in the search bar. This is your gateway to accessing a range of tools designed to help businesses enhance their presence on social media platforms. Upon landing on the Meta for Business page, it's time to log in. You have multiple options for logging in. You can use your email, log in through Facebook, or even via Instagram. Choose the method that's most convenient for you and follow through with the login process. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to locate the settings. For this, look towards the lower left corner of your screen. Clicking on Settings here will give you access to a plethora of options crucial for managing your business needs. Now, focus on the left sidebar. From this menu, you'll need to select Data Sources. It's under this section that you'll find Datasets and Pixels. This is where we will be working to create our meta pixel. When you're in the Datasets and Pixels area, look for the Add drop-down menu. This menu is your friend when it comes to introducing new elements into your business management tools. Click on it, and you will see a few choices appear. From the drop-down, you need to select Create a new dataset. At this point, you'll be prompted to add a name for your new dataset. Choose a name that's relevant and easy for you to remember. This logical naming will help you keep track of multiple datasets over time, especially if you're managing several different campaigns. Finally, once you've entered a suitable name, go ahead and click Create. This action will officially establish your new metapixel, enabling you to begin tracking and collecting data. This data will offer insights into how users are interacting with your website, providing invaluable feedback for refining your business strategies. Creating a metapixel is a pivotal task for any business harnessing the power of digital advertising, as it provides a window into customer behaviors and interests. With this detailed understanding, you can tailor your marketing strategies, ensuring that you reach your audience more effectively. That wraps up our guide for today. We hope you found this video both informative and easy to follow. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your business's digital presence.